What is up, back in nuts? Gunpla bro here, and as you can see, I have a new camera and a new backdrop. Very cool. I'm trying to up my production values, and this is the first step. Things will be a lot better from now on. No more potato camera. It's all king shit from here on out, boys and ladies. But we're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about this guy. High Grade Barbatos Lupus. Very cool kit from a very cool show. I know people have issues with IBO, Iron-Blooded Orphans, but me, I love it. It definitely consistently hovers in and out of my top 5 with a relative consistency. Like, I love it. I think it's great. One of my favorite things about it is the Hero mobile suit. This thing is radical, man. I love this mobile suit. And today we're gonna unbox this kit and see what's inside. So, let's rock and roll. Now, as you can see, this is the box art of the Barbatos Lupus. Here is the posing. Here's a nice bit of the side here. This has the same art as the front. And this is a little thing showing you some of the options you have in regards to other weapons you can buy for this kit. But let's open her up and see what's inside. You have the manual. Kazuki, once again, very amazing character. Absolutely love this character. The parts list and the instructions. Take a nice pause if you want more detail. And on the back, we have a full color illustration of some of the option parts, and it seems this kit doesn't have very many option parts. It just has its big sword mace. And some more color photos of the kit. Now I'm pretty sure these photos here are of the kit painted. I actually plan on customizing this kit a little. I bought some Gundam markers and a weathering kit, so I'm gonna weather and customize this kit. Can't wait to show you that. And we have a B runner, a C runner, and the A runner. And I'm gonna open these up, and we're gonna see what's inside in better detail. So be right back. Okay, to start things off, we have the stickers. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What are the eyes here? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 15, 16. 16 stickers on this kit. Now obviously it's a high grade, so there's going to be a lot of stickers. But we're going to use Gundam markers on this kit, and it's going to be a new experience for me, so I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you look forward to it. But as you can see here, lots of stickers on this kit, so if you don't want to customize your kit, be prepared for some sticky action. Now, as you can see here, this is the A-frame, and we have some, this is a very similar frame to the Vidar, the Gundam Vidar. We have some leg parts here. This is all inner frame, it seems. Leg parts. I'm going to say these are these are for the arms. We have some manipulators here. It seems he only has holding hands, no open or expressive hands, but that's okay. Here's the waist, torso rather. I'm gonna say this is the torso actually, this is the waist, okay. For the legs, here is the ankle joint, and that's about all I can recognize on this piece of runner here. Now, here we have the B runner. And this is an interesting runner because most of the kits I've built so far, the A runner was the multicolored runner, but this runner, the B runner on this kit, is multicolored. Very different. The shoulder pieces, the feet, more joints. I'm not sure what this is. I'm gonna say these are for the legs. Nice little vents on the legs. This is the vents on the chest. Not sure what this is. This is the V-fin. And I'm also not sure what these are. Over here we have more joints. I'm going to say this is a part for the waist. Here we have some manipulators. Probably not going to use these. These are more holding hands. We have the chest piece. And I'm going to say this is the cod piece. And here we have the gigantic sword mace. Very cool. I love that. I love that weapon. And that's it for that runner. Here we have the C runner. And right here we seem to have some shoulder pieces. I'm gonna say these are for the hands, I'm not sure. These are for the torso, sides, these are sides. We have leg parts here, his side skirts. I'm gonna say these are caps for his hands. His back skirt, front skirt, cod piece. Not sure what these are. Not sure what these are either. I think this is the backpack actually, yeah. These are backpack parts. Arm parts. Shoulders. Not sure. I'm not sure what this is. And that's about it for the C runner. And to cap things off, here is the Polycat runner, Polycat 002. And not a lot of polycaps on this kit, but that's it. The head piece here, arms, I'm gonna say feet, and that's about it. Alright, if you enjoyed this unboxing of the Barbatos Lupus, please like this video, leave a comment down below, and if you want to see more, please subscribe to Gunpla Bro. I upload at least 2 videos every week, and I hope you look forward to more. But that's that. I really hope you enjoyed the increase in production value on display here today. I worked very diligently to find the camera, and a very good friend of mine offered to loan me his. And now, here we are. Thank you very much. Please look forward to more, and please subscribe to this channel. Gunpla Bro, out.